Hello guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this mini LED projector. So we are going to install this in this headlights. You see, they were using the normal xenon bulbs. You see, so these usually use a ballast bulb. So that after the installation and the client is now very satisfied after the installation. You can see this will give you an average of 100 meters on a clear view. You can see the view is very okay, and in case you need such, you can always inquire from us. We'll send them wherever you are. Controlled. This is a single bulb, and you can see how far the light goes. So that's a single bulb. You can see this a single side mini projector. That's it. So in case you have an issue with your light, what reach out to us. We'll sort you with this light and have a better vision. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.